Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel. Integrating Zoom with GoHighLevel is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their business workflows. Imagine seamlessly scheduling Zoom meetings without lifting a finger, all while managing your client communications more efficiently. This integration can save you a significant amount of time and effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to streamline your processes, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, engaging with your clients, and growing your business. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of setting up this integration. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GoHighLevel login page. Once there, enter your login credentials and click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will find yourself on the main dashboard of GoHighLevel. This dashboard is your central hub, where you can access all the platform's powerful features and tools. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand navigation menu. This menu offers various options for managing different aspects of your account. Here, you should click on the App Marketplace option. The App Marketplace is an essential feature, as it hosts a wide range of integrations that enhance GoHighLevel's capabilities. It's like a one-stop shop for all the third-party tools you might want to connect, such as Zoom. Once you're in the App Marketplace, direct your gaze to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a search bar there. Click on it and type in Zoom for Workflows. This search function filters through all available applications, ensuring you find the specific app needed to integrate Zoom with your GoHighLevel workflows. From the filtered search results, identify the app named Zoom for Workflows by All the Apps. Click on this option, as it is the official integration tool that connects Zoom meetings to your GoHighLevel automations effectively. Upon selecting the app, you will be taken to the app's overview page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to read through vital information, such as the app's category, its pricing structure, and the current version available. It's also important to check who has the permissions to install this app. Take your time to scroll down the page and explore the features offered by the app. Reading user reviews can also provide insights into how others have benefited from this integration. Additionally, examining the permission details helps you understand the access level the app will require within your system. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're satisfied with what you've learned, proceed to click the Install button, prompting you to choose which sub-account you wish to integrate this app with. This step is crucial as it determines the specific sub-account where the Zoom integration will be active and operational within your GoHighLevel setup. Carefully select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu and then click on Continue to complete the installation process. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated Zoom with GoHighLevel. With this setup in place, you can now start building workflows that automatically create and manage Zoom meetings based on their client interactions. This integration not only enhances efficiency, but also elevates your client communication experience. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.